Hi guys, today we're playing ride a ball down a slide. So we're gonna play it.
Hi!
So we're starting play.
Sinabi ba ako? Oo.
Where's the skeleton team? We're gonna reach the end. Oh my gosh, what is that? The multiplayer. Now we're playing wobbly one. Oh, so fast, so fast. Break. What's that? Here. Not again. I'm stuck. Now we're gonna respawn. We're getting back and spawn a ball. We're getting down. Well, no, this time I'm getting someone just joined. No, I'm getting slide you down. Break again. This time, this one must be lower.
Yan, yung ano mo?
Okay, let's go. On that one, the way. Oh my god. The first shot. So easy. What is that? Mama. Slow down. What is that? Oh my god. And that's all. Goodbye. Make sure you like it.